Hydropower is one of the strongest pillars of Himachal Pradesh economy, and because of this, the Beas River plays a very important role in it. Now, talking about the Beas River, it originates from the Beas Kund, located near the Solang Valley, above Manali, in the Pir Panjal range. This is not just a normal place; it is a high-altitude glacial origin point surrounded by the snow-covered Himalayan peaks, and from here, the journey of the Beas River actually begins. Then it flows for about 470 kilometers, first through Himachal Pradesh, then through Punjab, and finally it merges into the Satluj River. Now, once we understand the river journey, let's move to the most important part of exams, major projects on Beas River. The first is Pong Dam, Maharana Pratap Sagar. It is located in Kangra district and it is an earth-fill dam completed in 1974. And its main purpose are irrigation and hydropower generation. The capacity is around 396 megawatts. Second is Pando Dam. Located in the Mandi district, it is a diversion dam, meaning it diverts water from the Beas River to the Satluj River through tunnels, and this is mainly used for large scale hydropower generation. The capacity is around 990 megawatts. Third is Largi Hydro Project. Capacity around 126 megawatts and located in Kullu district, and it plays an important role in regional power supply. Now, connecting everything into one concept for exams, Beas River projects are mostly multi-purpose and they are used for irrigation, hydropower, and inter-basin water transfer. Now, let's solve some real PYQs from this topic. Question 1. Beas River originates from which place? Answer is Beas Kund. Question 2. Pong Dam is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? The answer is Kangra. 3. Pando Dam is mainly constructed for what purpose? Answer is diversion of Beas water for hydropower generation. 4. Beas water is diverted to which river through Pando Dam? Answer is Satluj. 5. Largi Hydro Project is located in which district? Answer is Kullu. So, if you connect the river origin, flow, and the projects together, this becomes one of the highest scoring topics in the Himachal exams. Follow for more.